Audio Jungle.
Zara the Zebra and the Power of Teamwork. In the wide open savannah, under the blazing sun, lived a zebra named Zara. Zara was quick, smart, and loved to do things on her own. She believed that she could always handle everything by herself and rarely asked for help. Her striped coat shimmered in the sun as she raced through the fields, feeling proud of her speed and independence. One day, while grazing near the edge of the forest, Zara heard a loud rumble in the distance. The ground trembled beneath her hooves, and soon she realized what it was: a stampede of wildebeests. They were running wildly, straight toward the zebra herd. Zara's first instinct was to run on her own and outrun the danger. She dashed away as fast as she could, her legs moving like the wind. But soon, she noticed that some of the younger and slower zebras were struggling to keep up. They needed help, but Zara wasn't sure what to do. Should she go back and help, or should she keep running on her own? As the stampede drew closer, Zara heard a calm, strong voice. It was Lenny the lion, the leader of the savannah. "Zara," he called out, "we must work together if we are to keep everyone safe. Running alone won't save us all." Zara paused and looked back at her herd. She realized Lenny was right. The zebras needed each other to stay safe, and running alone would only help her, not the others. Without another thought, Zara turned around and rushed back to the herd. She ran alongside the younger zebras, encouraging them to keep going. Soon, other zebras joined in, forming a circle around the slowest members of the herd. Together, they moved as one, protecting each other from the stampede. As the wildebeest thundered by, the zebra herd stood strong. Not a single zebra was left behind, and all of them made it through the danger, thanks to their teamwork. After the stampede passed, Zara felt a deep sense of pride, not for her speed, but for how the herd had worked together to keep everyone safe. She realized that teamwork was far more powerful than trying to do everything on her own. Lenny the lion approached Zara and smiled. "You see, Zara, when we work together, we can achieve so much more than we ever could alone. You showed great courage today." Zara beamed with pride. From that day on, she no longer tried to do everything by herself. She became a leader in her herd, always reminding the other zebras that teamwork and helping one another were the keys to staying safe and strong. Moral of the story: teamwork makes us stronger. We can achieve more and overcome greater challenges when we work together, rather than trying to do everything on our own.